Man, shoot it again.
7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Mount Pleasant, or 12 miles east of Hohenwald, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Ping pong ball
Impact,
size
hail
hail.
damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Mount Pleasant, Santa Fe, Williamsport, and Hampshire. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright.
The National Weather Tennessee -48, North Riverside Drive near Providence Boulevard East, Quarry Road, Craft Seed near College Seed and Sink Flat Road. Water also continues to inundate agricultural areas and parks along the river and adjacent tributaries including Barton's Creek, Red River, West Fork Red River, and Yellow Creek. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flood warning for the Harpeth River near Kingston Springs. From this evening to Monday evening, at 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday, the stage was 11.9 feet and rising. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 29.0 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday afternoon. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 29.0 feet on February 14, 1948. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flood warning for the Harpeth River at Bellevue. From late tonight to Monday morning. At 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Saturday, the stage was 10.6 feet and rising. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 25.0 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday morning. Ward,
Okay, I gotta
in Lono County.
switch. Yep. Ah! Why? Why? Who does that? Who does that?
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Ouachita County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas.
Nobody puts a recon up to the microphone.
4 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Gerson, or 16 miles northeast of Prescott, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
Continues and continues.
Tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per
Tennis
hour.
ball size hail.
Source, radar indicated.
Tornadoing down here.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Okay.
Expect hail damage to
Now,
roofs,
oh my.
siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind
Very
damage to
tornado.
roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Garden,
Extreme tornado.
Wayland Springs, Bern, Ridgewoods, Lono,
There's a BS over there.
Tulip, Curtis, Manning, Washita, Vaden, Joan, Willow, Pine Grove, Dayton, Great Fight Town. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 58 and 60. A severe
Jeez.
thunderstorm warning was located near
Let's tune back to
moving northeast at 40 miles per
back
hour.
to KIG's 79.
Lowest floor of a building. Tornado watch number 59 remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county.
Okay, that's not something. Let's see again. What? Ah. What happened? Oh. Turn it down.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
That was not creepy.
Prairie County in central Arkansas, southeastern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, north central Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, northwestern Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. and 6:36 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Humphrey or near Stuttgart, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail at 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stuttgart, Brinkley, Clarendon, Holly Grove, Humphrey, Fulham, Rowe, Alfred, Allendale, Dobbs Landing, Peppers Landing, Brummett, Palmer, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Fargo, Blackton, Aberdeen, Slovak, Almira Airport, Casco. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 210 and 218. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m.
Okay.
for southeastern Clark,
Let's go
Dallas,
to
north central
79.
Washington, and southeastern Hot Spring counties. Watch remains in effect until
What the? Oh. Oh. What? No.
until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Maury, Tennessee. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of include
Another one.
Hazel, Carlisle, Patterson, Fredonia, Yale, Hunter,
See when that one comes through.
Rockville, Prairie Center, Thurman, McGreener, Sizemore, McCrory, Reno, Cotton Plant, Fargo, Beavis Corner, and Beckton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is able to occur. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams include
Oh, that wouldn't be good.
caution to protect life and property. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Thunderstorm was located
Alright. Must be our issue for Little Rock issued it. KIG 79, KIG 79. Here it is.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, central Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar.
Oh wow, I made it just in time too.
And streams, urban
almost missed the alert.
Streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Franklin, Columbia, Brentwood, Spring Hill, Nolansville, Thompson Station, Leapers Fork, Santa Fe, and Troon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
All right.
The National Weather Service, which prompted out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
Oh God.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m.
Tornado warning.
Eastern and central Arkansas.
Yep.
National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Prairie County and central Arkansas, southern Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, northern Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Stuttgart, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado at half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
See a little hook there.
Damage to roofs,
That.
windows, and vehicles will occur.
Wait, that's weird.
Tree damage is likely.
Yeah.
Locations impacted include Stuttgart, Holly Grove, Almira, Homer, Blackton, Aberdeen, Almira Airport, Casco, Crockett's Bluff, Wrighttown, Pine City, Lawrenceville, Duncan, Louisiana Purchase State Park. A severe thunderstorm
I guess I don't know
warning remains in
PPAs.
effect until
There's 5. Well, who does that? Who does that? Shut up.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central White County and central Arkansas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over McRae, or 12 miles northeast of Cabot, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with
Most of my owners are going to be on internet this year, I guess.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted
Little Rock, somewhere up here.
Searcy, Beatty,
Something.
Aldgott, Judsonia, Kinston, Higginson, Russell, West Point, Crosby, Step Rock, McRae, Garner,
That's it.
Latona, Griffithville, Albion, Antioch in White County, Vinity Corner, Dewey, Worden, Armstrong Springs. This includes us Highway 67 between mile markers 26 and 60.
They don't do any PBAs. Just saying.
The National Weather Service. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Yep. Oh my gosh. Why would you do that? That just doesn't make sense. Ow.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cleveland County in southeastern Arkansas,
Tornado
southeastern
possible.
Grant County in central Arkansas, central Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas until 7:45 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Sparkman, or 19 miles
I'll come right
northwest of
back to it.
Fordyce, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard:
Oh, yep.
the National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
I had to cut off the Little Rock.
Northern Bedford County in
But that's okay.
until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This is a lot of alerts.
10 p.m. Central Daylight
Is it not?
A severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Spring Hill,
Ugh,
or
this is
50
gonna be a
miles
lot of again. Oh god, now what?
at 60 miles per hour.
Alright, tornado warning.
Wind gusts and half dollars. Northwestern Monroe County in eastern Arkansas, Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, until 8:55 p.m. and 5:55 p.m.
Here we go again. Wow. Brace yourselves. Oh wow, I had to cut off the Nashville one alert. I had to cut off a lot of alerts just so I can get the other ones.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cleveland County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Grant County in central Arkansas,
How am I gonna keep up with
Dallas
this?
County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Jefferson County in
Oh my
southeastern
gosh.
Arkansas until 7:45 p.m.
That's a lot of counties.
6:59 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles east of Sparkman, or 17 miles northwest of Fordyce,
Yeah, I can see
moving
it.
northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Right now, I guess.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Carthage, Lamont,
God.
Princeton, Staves, Grapevine, Thorndale,
I guess it. But what? Oh, I'm good.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for central Lonoke County and central Arkansas. 30 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. The stage was 47.5 feet and rising. Underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lonoke, Des Arc, Hazen, Carlisle, Patterson, Fredonia, Kiel, Hunter, Barrettsville, Hallsville, Prairie Center, Thurman, McCreena, Sizemore, McCrory, Vito, Cotton Plant, Fargo, Beavis Corner, and Beckton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. A severe thunderstorm warning remains
Wow, okay.
until 7:45 p.m. for northwestern Cleveland, southeastern Grant, central Dallas, and southwestern Jefferson counties. At 7:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south.
Yep, there it is. Oh my gosh, what's that? What's the Nashville? PSA. Not PSA. PIS.
Central Arkansas, northwestern Cleveland County in southeastern Arkansas, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, northwestern Washita County in southwestern Arkansas, until 10:25 p.m. and 7:22 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Additional thunderstorms producing very heavy rain will move into the warned area over the next hour and worsen any ongoing flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams,
Potential doubleheader.
highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arkadelphia, Sheridan,
Oh wow.
Sheridan, Redfield, Lee,
Triple header.
Carthage, Plattsville, Coen, Oklahoma, Wayland Springs,
feel like it.
A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent
Oh,
for a time.
wow.
If you
You
are
guys
in a
have to
warned
extend
area,
this
higher ground
warning message.
residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Highs in the lower 40s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the
Yeah, doubleheader. Hey. Stop.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm.
It's gonna be a triple header. It's gonna be a triple header.
Northwestern Woodruff County in eastern
Keep
Arkansas,
it here.
Independence County in north central Arkansas, east central Izard County in north central Arkansas, central Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern White County in central Arkansas, southwestern Sharp County in north central Arkansas until 8:15 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe
here it is.
thunderstorm was located near Russell, or 12 miles northeast of Searcy, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Batesville, Newport, Baldknop, Cave City, Tuckerman, Diaz, Newark, Swifton, Pleasant Plains, Oil Trough, Russell, Jacksonport, McNeese, Sydney, Moorfield, Salado, Step Rock, Southside Independence Count, Bradford, Sulphur Rock. This includes us Highway 67 between mile markers 54 and 71 and near mile marker 86.
Longest clip of the video right here. And triple header now.
At 7:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms
Alright.
heavy rain will move back into portions of the
So we're just
warned
gonna
area.
avoid the tornado
2
warning.
and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, flooding of small
The
creeks,
issue for White
streams,
County.
urban
And
areas,
then,
highways, streets, and
as they tell me, for White County, I have a severe thunderstorm
low-lying
warning.
areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lone Oak, Desart, Hazel, Carlisle, Patterson,
Well then.
Fredonia, Kiel, Hunter, Barrettsville, Hallsville, Prairie Center, Thurman,
What this goes back to?
Sizemore, McCrory, Vigo,
1986.
Cotton Plant, Fargo, Beavis Corner, and Beckton.
Well, they're not issuing it. They're not telling it, so.
Bell Buckle, Centertown, Bradyville, Beach Grove, and Rowdyville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 87 and 100. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 7:32 p.m.
Yeah,
Central
just
Daylight
what?
Time,
Still got down.
thunderstorm was located 9 miles. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Grant County.
Tornado warning was just issued.
Northwest.
Yep, there it is.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cleveland County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, northern Lincoln County in southeastern Arkansas, west central Arkansas County in southeastern Arkansas, and
Another one.
the National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle North. Radar indicated rotation.
I had to cut off both of those.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Don't frick. No.
Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pine Bluff, Bryson, Alzheimer, Humphrey, Grady, Cottondale, Whitefield, Winwood, Little Bayou Meadow Park, Ladding, Kedron, anomaly. Moscow. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 37 and 46. Partly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Overnight in the lower 50s. Bradyville, Rockville, Milton, Rover, and Unionville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in
Alright, so I got
vehicles.
most of this one, most of
A
the
flash
hearing
flood
one.
warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Alright, good job.
For Southeast